Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your bank account onto your Uber Eats account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ubereats.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Uber Eats website where you can log into your account if you haven't done so already using your email address or your phone number or your social accounts. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into the home page. Now, if you wish to add your bank account onto your Uber Eats, then tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. From this page, click on Wallets, and now within the wallet page, click on Add Payment Method. You will then find the credit or debit card option. Go ahead and click on it, and now you can use the credit or debit card of your bank in order to link your bank account. Just type in your card number within the card number section, followed by the expiration date and the security code or CVV number. You can then enter the country, and you can also add a nickname, which is optional. Then click on the Add Card option, and once your information has been verified, your bank account will be linked onto your Uber account through your credit or debit card. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to link your bank account onto your Uber Eats account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.